How to create Canva Instagram posts. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create Instagram posts using Canva. Whether you're looking to create single posts or explore bulk content creation, Canva makes it super simple and versatile to design eye-catching visuals for your Instagram profile. We'll start with the basics, and then I'll guide you through how you can scale your content creation process. So first things first, head over to Canva. Once you're on the home page, look for the search bar at the top. Type in Instagram and press enter. Canva will now show you several options based on Instagram post formats. There are typically two main post sizes for Instagram. One is the portrait format, which is a taller vertical post. The other is the square format, which is the standard and most commonly used. Which one you choose depends entirely on your personal preference or the type of content you're planning to post. Both sizes work great, depending on your style or branding. Now, if you want to create something that stands out, like a photo in a frame look or a collage-style post where your pictures are arranged in a unique layout, you can either select from one of Canva's many pre-made templates or start completely from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build one from the ground up. So let's begin by clicking on a blank Instagram post canvas, preferably the square one to keep it clean and versatile. Once your blank canvas opens up, you'll see all the tools available on the left-hand panel. First, go to the Elements tab. Inside the Elements section, search for the keyword paper, or simply scroll until you find a category called Frames. Frames are a really fun way to make your photos pop. Browse through the available frames and choose one that fits the style you're going for. For example, I'll go ahead and select a simple rectangular frame. Drag it onto your canvas and adjust the size as needed by pulling the corners. Now, before you insert any images into the frame, let's customize the background of your Instagram post. This helps set the tone and can tie the design together. You can either select a solid color, a gradient, or even an image-based background depending on what suits your theme. To do this, simply click on the background area and a color menu will appear at the top. Choose a color that complements your overall design. In this case, I might go with a soft pastel or a vibrant tone, depending on the vibe of the post. Once your background is set, you're ready to start adding your pictures into the frame and continue building the post from there. Now that we've got our frame and background set, the next step is to add a sample photo. For this demonstration, I'm going to search for a sample image directly within Canva. Of course, when you're designing your own post, you'll want to upload and use your personal photos to keep it authentic and relevant to your feed. I'll just pick a picture from Canva's library that works for this example. Once I've selected it, I'll simply drag it into the frame we placed earlier. Canva automatically adjusts the photo to fit inside the frame, making it look neat and professional. Now that the image is in place, let's move on to the decoration and styling phase. This is where the fun really begins. Head back into the Elements tab and in the search bar, type star. Then go to the Graphics section and search for something like Chubby Star or Cute Star. You'll find a ton of adorable and fun graphics that you can use to accent your photo or frame it in a playful way. Just select a few that match your vibe and position them creatively around your image. Next, search for Burn Book in the Graphics section. Canva offers some bold and edgy stickers inspired by that style, which you can use to add a little flair or personality to your design. It's a great way to make your post look more like a page from a digital scrapbook. Speaking of which, go ahead and search for Scrapbook in the graphics bar. You'll see loads of cute little scrapbook-style icons, textures, and cutouts you can drag and drop into your layout. Whether you like doodles, sticky notes, tape strips, or aesthetic backgrounds, Canva's graphic options have you covered. Now, all of this works perfectly if you're creating Instagram posts for personal use, such as sharing fun pictures, aesthetic edits, or mood boards. Once your post design is complete and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to download and share. To do that, go to the top right corner of your Canva editor and click on the Share button. From there, click on Download. You can download your post in a variety of formats such as PNG, JPEG, or even PDF depending on your needs. Alternatively, Canva also lets you share your post directly to Instagram. You can instantly push it to your Instagram profile from the mobile app, or if you're on desktop, you can schedule your post ahead of time using Canva's built-in scheduling tool. This is especially helpful if you want to manage and plan your content in advance. Now we're going to head back to the Canva homepage, and I'll show you how to create Instagram posts using templates. perfect for when you want a consistent and polished look without starting from scratch. To begin, I'm going to open up ChatGPT and ask it to help me generate some content. I'll simply type a prompt like, "Write 10 short, sweet messages or sayings or quotes for me to post on Instagram." Once I enter that, ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of 10 simple and catchy lines that are perfect for sharing as Instagram captions or posts. These could be uplifting quotes, fun sayings, or motivational one-liners, whatever suits your brand or mood. Now that we have our quotes ready, it's time to go back to Canva. On the Canva homepage, go to the search bar and type in Instagram post. Once again, I'm selecting the square format, as I prefer this layout for a clean and symmetrical look on Instagram. This time, instead of starting with a blank canvas, I'll be using a template. Canva offers thousands of ready-made templates for Instagram posts, so just scroll through until you find one that matches your aesthetic. For example, you might see one that's fun and colorful, or one that's more minimal and elegant. Personally, I like to keep things simple, so I'll choose a clean, cute template, maybe something with a pastel background and stylish fonts. I think this one right here looks great, so I'll go ahead and click Customize this template. Once the editor loads, I can start editing the template with my own content. Now, I'll go to the text section of the editor and simply copy and paste one of the quotes from ChatGPT into the design. You can then tweak the text size, position, and color as needed to make it stand out. If you want to include your Instagram username in the design for branding purposes, go ahead and add a new text box. Type in your handle, something like @your-username, and position it at the top or bottom of the post. Make sure it's visible and clear, so consider changing the font color to something that pops. For example, if white doesn't look great on your background, try something like a rich green or a bold accent color that complements your overall design. I'll go with a dark green here, because it stands out and still feels visually balanced. What you're going to do next is copy and paste your list of quotes or sayings, whether they're from ChatGPT or another tool. Just click Paste, and Canva will automatically recognize each line as a new entry. Once you've added your content, simply select the text field in your design where you want the quote to appear. Now, let's make sure your design looks visually appealing. I'm going to adjust the font size. I think going slightly bigger than the default looks better. I'll also expand the text block itself, so it gives the quote more breathing room, and then I'll recenter it on the canvas to maintain symmetry. This kind of setup helps you stay consistent with your branding on Instagram. Posting in a consistent style not only looks professional, but it also increases your chances of being noticed by Instagram's algorithm. It can help bring in more engagement, more visibility, and more growth for your account over time. It's clean, visually striking, and easy to replicate for the rest of my content. You can take this even further by building around a specific aesthetic. For example, you can tell ChatGPT to generate quotes that match a cozy, minimalist, or dreamy aesthetic, and then apply those to similarly styled Canva templates. It gives your feed a thematic look that people will start to recognize and connect with. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, just head over to the Share button at the top right of your screen and select your preferred format. PNG is great for Instagram, so you're ready to upload them directly or schedule them using tools like Canva Scheduler or Meta's Creator Studio. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now feel confident in creating beautiful, consistent Instagram posts using Canva. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Canva and social media tips. And if you have any questions, feedback, or requests, drop them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you think and help out however I can. Thanks for watching.